Welcome back. I, Mrs. Amita Reddy, would be continuing the discussion on the topic electronic mail. We learnt in our previous video that email is the method of exchanging messages using electronic devices having internet connection. The use of creating such email account was that it acts as our identification on the internet. It enables us to communicate by exchanging information in the form of audio, video or PDF, as well as it helps us to access public applications like Facebook or shopping website on the internet. The benefits of these email is it can transfer information to a large number of people at a very low cost and automatically maintains the record of sent and received data. For creating such email account, we need to use email service providers like Gmail or iCloud. They allow us to make two types of mail. Number one, personal. Number two, business. We learned to create a business mail account using Gmail by entering our username, password and the verification code received on the mobile phone. In this video now we'll be learning these options given as compose, inbox, sent and draft. The method would be same. We'll be again opening our system's web browser and now select the mail account which we have already created. The next thing we need to do is enter the password and click on next. When it loads and opens the home screen, we can see these many options available. The very first option is compose, which stands for writing a mail for sending it to particular recipients. When we click on compose, a dialog box opens with these tabs. The first tab given to us is the 2 for adding the mail ID of recipients. We may add here more than one IDs also. The next option available is CC, which stands for carbon copy. Even here we may add the email IDs of more than one person. The third option is BCC, which stands for blind carbon copy, for adding the email ID. The major difference is the person added in 2 and CC doesn't comes to know who is being added at BCC for receiving the message. Next tab is the subject tab, where you need to type the subject of the mail. Like it's a demo, so I am typing here files for printing. The next tab is for the body of the email, like I am typing here, dear Arush, kindly collect the following files for printing. We have the formatting toolbar like Word, Excel and PowerPoint also available here with the options undo, redo, font name, font size, bold, italics, underline and also colors available which can be applied on the body of the text. If you wish, you may even add bullets or numbering to the text. Then the next and the most important facility given to us is to attach a particular file, a hyperlink, a emoticon or a file from the drive or a image. For demo, we are going to attach 2 files in this mail. I'm selecting these 2 PPT and clicking on open. You can see Google is attaching these 2 files. Once the files get attached, you may click on send. Send gives us 2 options. One is schedule send, which means You need not send the mail right now. You can plan for sending it or after a while, maybe tomorrow morning or afternoon, by selecting the date and time given here. Or else you may send it directly now by clicking on the send button. We'll get a notification in a while, message sent, undo or view message. Simple. You may send message in this manner. Then the next option available for us is inbox. Inbox shows us these messages which I have received as a recipient from other users. These messages can be selected and can be replied back or forwarded to any other person. Supposingly, if I wish to forward a ready-made message, I can simply click on forward button. The message is ready. I just need to type the name of the recipient here and forward the message by simply clicking on send. The message would be sent. Coming up to the next option other than inbox is starred. You may mark your favorite messages using this. Snooze, it can delay a particular message. Important, as the name suggests, important messages can be tagged. Sent is the place where the collection of messages is being done which we have sent to other recipient. Like the message I drafted now and I have sent would be now shown in the sent box. Okay. Then comes next is, see here, I have sent just now 2 messages. It is being reflected over here. Files for printing and wishes for Eid. Next option available is the draft. This stands for the messages which we have created but we didn't send it at that very moment. So they get automatically saved in the draft folder. You may select from there and reuse it in future. Next is the category tab. Category shows options like social where you may transfer few of your messages if required. Last but not the least is the option deleted item. This is quite similar like our recycle bin. It collects all the deleted message in them. So I hope all these options are clear to you all and you would be able to create, to forward as well as to collect information using these mail accounts and mail IDs. One tip for the kids: while using or creating mail account, you should do under your parental guidance, and every one of us should always remember to sign out once we are done. So my dear viewers, keep practicing, stay connected and stay safe. Thank you.